just looked down and let it bleed. The air stood still, the night was shy, and I could hear our last goodbye. No words to say, no hands to hold, just echoes